Something's changing in the motorcycle world right now, and it's not a new bike, it's not more horsepower, and it's not even technology. The biggest trend in motorcycling today, I believe, is the rider. More specifically, the do-everything rider. It used to be simple. Sport bike people rode sport bikes. Cruiser riders cruised. And adventure riders, in my mind, disappeared in the wilderness and we only saw them again after 6 months. But now, many riders want one bike, one skill set, and one mindset that does it all. Commute during the week, weekend twisties, maybe a gravel road, maybe a road trip, maybe just getting lost on purpose. And honestly, that shift is changing how people ride. I've been noticing something lately. It's less about the machine and more about the experience. Less, how fast is it? More, where can this take me? Less, what category is this bike? And more, what can I do with it today? And that's the real trend. Versatility, freedom, options. Because most of us don't live at the racetrack. We live in the real world. And the real world has potholes, gravel, traffic, rain, cold mornings, and the occasional road that just looks interesting enough to turn down. Adventure and dual sport bikes are exploding in popularity right now. But here's the interesting part. It's not just the bikes. It's the attitude. Even sport bike riders are practicing slow speed control. Cruiser riders are taking training courses. Street riders are learning off-road skills. Because riders are realizing something important. Skill gives you freedom. The more capable you are, the more places your motorcycle can take you. And I think that's what motorcycling has always been about. Think about your own riding for a second. How many times have you seen a road and thought, wonder where that goes? But you didn't turn. Maybe the pavement ended. Maybe it looked rough. Maybe you weren't sure. That hesitation, that's not a bike limitation, that's a confidence limitation. And I'm not saying go full adventure rider, I'm saying every new skill you learn expands your world. Slow speed control, emergency braking, riding in the rain, gravel parking lots, cold weather riding. Each one unlocks another piece of freedom. So, yeah, manufacturers are building more do-everything bikes, but the real trend is riders who want to do more. More miles, more places, more experiences, not faster, not louder, just farther. And honestly, I think that's a great direction for motorcycling, because the best rides usually aren't the fastest ones, they're the ones where you don't really know where you're going. So here's a question for you. When was the last time you turned down the road just because you could? Maybe that's the real trend. Not a new bike, not a new gadget, just a simple mindset. Let's see where this goes. Thanks for watching. Take care and ride safe.